Use the right brake fluid. The main indicator of brake fluid is the boiling point. The vehicle transmits hydraulic pressure according to Pascal's principle. Once the brake fluid boils, air resistance will occur, which will cause brake failure and endanger safety. The two terms here need explanation. Boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid boils, that is, the temperature at which the saturated vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to the external pressure. Boiling is a violent vaporization phenomenon that occurs simultaneously inside and on the surface of a liquid at a certain temperature. At the same atmospheric pressure, different types of liquids have different boiling points. If there are bubbles in the brake fluid, the bubbles can be compressed. So it will reduce the braking force transmitted by the brake fluid. This will make our braking performance very poor. In severe cases, brake failure may occur. This is the air resistance phenomenon of the brake system. The current internationally accepted standard for brake fluid is DOT, the U.S. Department of Transportation standard. In China, brake fluid is labeled HCY. The dry boiling point refers to the boiling point of new brake fluid, and the wet boiling point refers to the boiling point when the water content in the brake fluid is 3.5%. DOT3 is highly hydrophilic and has a low boiling point. The dry boiling point is 205 degrees Celsius and the wet boiling point is 140 degrees Celsius. It is prone to thermal attenuation. DOT4 has a higher dry boiling point of 230 degrees Celsius and a wet boiling point of 155 degrees Celsius, and is more resistant to water. DOT5 hardly absorbs water, so the moisture entering the brake system will exist in the form of water. The boiling point of water is very low, which will cause brake failure, so the replacement cycle is very short, and it is generally used only for racing cars. DOT 5.1 has a dry boiling point of 269 degrees Celsius and a wet boiling point of 187 degrees Celsius. Due to the different basic ingredients, the moisture resistance is much stronger than that of DOT3 and DOT4, and it has a strong ability to decompose water. It has higher dry and wet boiling points, better fluidity at low temperatures, and better lubrication at high temperatures. The replacement cycle is the longest and the price is higher. Brake fluid is a consumable product and will absorb water during use, causing the boiling point to decrease. You can use a brake fluid detector to detect the water content in the brake fluid to ensure vehicle braking safety.